Shut up and sit down.
10 lines on Constitution Day for kids, children, school students and competitive exams in English. Set 1. 10 lines on Constitution Day for kids. Set 1 is helpful for students of classes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 1. The date of 26th November holds great importance in the history of Indian independence. Number 2. In 1949, when the Indian Constitution was introduced, the Constituent Assembly greeted it with loud and prolonged cheers. Number 3. The framework document or book that guides the Indian government to work smoothly is called the Constitution. Number 4. Indian Constitution was prepared in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be precise. Number 5. The Constituent Assembly had both male and female unbiased members who adopted the Constitution in 1949. Number 6. The Constituent Assembly's historic session on 26 November in 1949 ended with the singing of the Indian national anthem. Number 7. The Constitution is the document that sustains democracy in India. Number 8. Constitution Day should be celebrated in remembrance of the men and women who gave independent India a proper constitution. Number 9. The Constitution Day is also called the Samvidhan Divas in Hindi. Number 10. The 14th PM made the declaration of the celebration of the Constitution Day of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, in 2015. Set 2. 10 lines on Constitution Day for school students. Set 2 is helpful for students of classes 6, 7 and 8. Number 1. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Indian Constitution on 26 November of 1949 that later came into action from 26 February of 2050. Number 2. That is why every year the 26th day of November is recognized as Constitution Day in India. Number 3. The Constitution was put into motion by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the President of the Constituent Assembly. Number 4. All political parties accepted and recognized the Constitution and pledged their allegiance to it. Number 5. The total number of Constituent Assembly members was 389 who were part of the committee. Number 6. The chairman of the drafting committee responsible for making the Constitution was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Number 7. The supremacy of the parliament that cannot be overridden is mentioned in the Indian Constitution. Number 8. The citizens' rights of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity are emphasized in the Indian Constitution. Number 9. Also, the judiciary body of the Indian government is kept as an independent body as per the Constitution. Number 10. All the fundamental rights given to the citizens of India according to the Constitution is free of birth discrimination. Set 3. 10 lines on Constitution Day for higher class students. Set 3 is helpful for students of classes 9, 10, 11, 12 and competitive exams. Number 1. The Constitution Day of India is observed as a remembrance day when the Indian Constitution was adopted in 1949. Number 2. The 26th of November might not be an Indian national holiday, but it still holds a certain level of historical importance. Number 3. There were 395 numbers of articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules in the original Indian Constitution. Number 4. The present Indian Constitution has 448 numbers of articles, 104 amendments and 12 schedules. Number 5. The National Constitution Day was announced by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Number 6. Schools and some organizations celebrate this day by educating students and Indian civilians about the Indian Constitution. Number 7. Several quizzes, debates and essay competitions are held on the 26th of November to test the knowledge of the participants about the Constitution. Number 8. Promoting constitutional values among Indians is the main aim behind the observance of this day. Number 9. The Constitution Day celebration reignites the sense of unity, integrity and brotherhood among Indians. Number 10. It is the Indian Constitution where the nation is declared and described as a sovereign, secular republic and socialist country.